One, two, three.
Continuing on, up next we have Faith Wen from Jointech. Go ahead.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Faithe Wen. I'm from Shenzhen Jointech. I'm a project manager from Jointech. Today I'm going to talk about how intelligent e-locks secures shipping efficiency. So today I'm going to talk about two typical e-lock projects. The project one, e-locks used in Poland supermarket distribution, and project two, e-sale trackers used in global supply chain. So let's move on to the first project. As we will know, large supermarkets such as Walmart, Carrefour, Dia have their own supply chain. So every day they need to transport cargo from different distribution centers to each supermarket. In this project, this client in Poland, he has bought over 5,000 pieces of devices to manage the supermarket distribution process for Carrefour. Let's see the distribution process. As you can see, the distribution monitoring process started from the factory and to the warehouse, from the warehouse to the supermarket. And with our device, we can know when the cargo will arrive and where is your cargo and who opened your cargo. What is going on? Okay. So what challenges are we facing? So during transportation, the supermarket don't know when the cargo will arrive and where's your cargo. So if the driver parks for too long in dangerous shipping area, it may lead to cargo replacement or cargo robbery. So how to solve these problems? Well, with our e-lock, you can know when the cargo will arrive and where is your cargo. So in this way, it improves productivity delivery. And also, with our e-lock, you can read all kinds of reports and alarms on WeLong platform, such as GPS and door status and the speed. So the supply chain is 100% visible. And also, if someone tried to break the device to open the door, the device will send you alarm immediately. And so you can take actions immediately. And also you can set up the lock cannot be opened during the whole transportation. You can set up the lock can only be opened by authorized people when the cargo arrives in its destination. Okay. So how do they implement this project? Let's see. This is a video taken from, okay, you can play the video. Taken from the Carrefour. As you can see, there will be a shipping task, and the shipping task will be sent to a driver. And then the driver will confirm which truck he will use. And finally, he will use a specific device with our lock. As you can see here, the driver is confirmed. He will use the truck. So now the loading is confirmed. So now the driver collect the e-lock, is about to seal the cargo. As you can see, the two drivers secure the truck with longer ropes. And finally, to link the device with all the system. Okay. It's not working. Okay, so what is the solution? With our e-logs, we can offer you when the cargo will arrive and where is your cargo and who opened your cargo. So it improves your shipping efficiency and also safeguard your cargo. Okay, please stop. Stop. Okay, let's talk about the key features. Feature 1, flexible rope design. The rope is flexible and can be customized according to your requirements. For example, some clients want to have 2 meters ropes, some clients want to have 20 meters rope. And in this video, please play the video. In this video, this client from Uruguay is using 40 meters rope to cover the whole truck for cargo security. And the feature 2, there are 3 ways to lower the false alarm. Okay, let's make a summary of JJ71. The first keyword is reliable. The first video we're about to, please play the video. This is from Jordan Customs. This client has bought over 5,000 JJ71 for customer supervision, and there's an alarm. When there's an alarm, the customer officials will send people immediately to check. Play the second video. Play. Well, if you break the traffic rules in UAE, you will take the device with you to go home. As you can see, he's using our device to lock the safety belt and using the RFID card to open the device. Okay, play this final one. Okay, in this video is for wine transportation in Minsk. As you can see, they are wearing thick clothes. The temperature is very cold. It's about minus 40 degrees Celsius in Minsk. And our device can take minus 40 degrees Celsius in winter. So let's talk about the last project. E-sale trackers used in global supply chain. So today we are living in a global village, and so you can buy all kinds of goods from other countries, for example, US, UK, and these goods are transported by shipping companies. And in this project, DB Schenker, a global shipping company, his clients asked him to transport cell phones from China's factory to Europe's warehouse, and he has bought over 3,000 pieces of e-sale trackers. So what challenges are they facing? So the challenge one is they don't know the location of the containers, and they don't want to recycle the device. They don't want to recycle the GPS trackers. And they want to use about 2 months for battery life. And most importantly, they want to know the door status. They want to know the door is open or closed. So how can we solve this? So with our e-sale trackers, we can offer him GPS record, so you can know where is your container. And our e-sale tracker is disposable, so you don't need to recycle it. And it supports about 400 reports, so it's okay for about 2 months battery life. And also, it's offers door open alarm, so you can know the door status for containers. So how do they implement this project? First, they will ask a driver to pick up the cargo directly from China's factory, for example, Foxconn. And then they will install the e-sale trackers on containers. And second, and then they will ask the containers will be sent to railway station. from China to Europe. And finally, you can check everything on your cell phone, such as GPS, door status, and tracks. Please stop the video. So what is the solution? Backward. No. Lost the slide. Lost the slide. Lost. Yes. Stop the video. Okay, the solution of this project, we can offer DB Sync disposable eSIL, so you don't need to recycle, and GPS tracking, so you have a record, and also alarms for illegal rope cutting, so you know the door status. And most importantly, we offer him electronic proof for store status. As you can see the screenshot, you know the company name, lock status, and there is a short video for installation of this eSIL. Please play the video. As you can see here, there's, that's the slide. Okay. It is used on containers. As you can see here, there's a rope insert on this eSIL. When you insert a rope, there was a location, so you will know. Okay. So let's make a summary of eSIL tracker. So right now we have the basic version, JJ707. The basic version supports ordinary rope cutter alarm, and we have 2G version only, and for battery life, it supports 400 reports, and it is disposable. Well, we have upgraded version. Upgraded version is JJ707A. It supports anti-short circuit alarm. And we also have 3G and 2G version. For battery life, it supports 500 reports. And it is rechargeable. As you can see, there's a charging box and configuration box. So projects we can do more, such as customer supervision projects, high-value cargo transportation. And we have more products. If you're interested about this, we can talk about in private. So thanks for your attention. That's all.
Thank you, Faith. Regarding the first one, the 701.
701,
yeah.
Okay.
What if, for emergency reason, we had to open the container while in transit? It is not yet arrived to the client side. Yeah, this one.
I'm sorry, what is the question?
A container has stopped.
Yes.
The truck has stopped.
Yes.
And for security check, the police asked the driver to open the container.
Ask the driver to open the container.
Yeah. Is there any way beside cutting the wire to open the lock while in transit?
While in transit,
Yeah.
okay. You can send SMS command. You can open on your platform. It's okay.
From the platform,
Yes.
you can send an SMS command
Yes.
and open the device.
Yes, remotely.
Okay. Remotely. Okay. My second question is regarding the disposable.
Disposable one. Okay.
It's okay. And whether the first one, it says here, wait, no, go back to the previous. Yeah, no, not this. Well, one of the slides it shows is communicating with satellite, or it has to have a GSM network.
GSM network. Satellite is on the way.
On the way. So if in remote areas where there is no GSM, the e-lock will store.
Yes.
Okay, fine. And we have a situation for a customer who is asking for multiple door in one container or in one truck.
Oh.
So there will be a master GPS lock.
Yes, it is developing.
And an RFID for the side doors.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it has to install SIM cards for each and every one. So it will be a master GPS lock.
Yes.
Communicating wirelessly with
Yes.
side and adjacent doors on the same container. That's coming in the future.
That is on the way. We can talk about later.
Okay. Could you give me an idea about the disposable e-seals? How much they cost?
Okay.
A rough idea without really.
For samples,
Not samples. Okay, 400 units. How much you selling for?
we can talk about later about the cost. It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
No other questions? All right. Thank you very much, Faith.